Okay, so I thought I'd stop what I was doing because I was like, hey, somebody might need to know about this. So I'm showing you how I harvest my elderberries and destem them. Well, I've already harvested them, sorry. Here's what I've harvested. It was 3 pounds tonight. I've harvested plenty before that, and I'll be still harvesting more after this. Anyway, I have a large stainless steel bowl. So this I set in the top. It is a gold mining tray pan, and it is 1/4 inch. You can find them on Amazon. I will try to link to that in the description box. But I have already rinsed my elderberries, and so I'm gonna grab some, okay? And then I'm just basically going to swirl them around, gently pressing down as I swirl. And that is how I destem my elderberries easily and without too much fuss or muss. If I end up having a few left and I don't want them to become mush, I'll pull them off with my fingers, but for the most part, this really does a great job. Okay, see, I mean, for the most part, it got all of them, and I'll just literally just take my fingers and pluck those off easily at the end. But super easy to do and save some time. I don't want to sit here and pluck them all off with a fork. Anyway, all right, so if you found this video helpful, I hope that you would click on the like, and if you aren't already subscribed, I would hope that you would do that and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be alerted to new videos I upload. And there's another one down, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.